Welcome back, everyone. Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to say a file. So there's an input type. You've probably, have come across a form where you've had to upload a file or something, whether it was like YouTube or something. So what we're going to do is we're going to say simply file. Okay, and this may not work the way we want it to within this editor here. So I'm going to put name, and it's going to be file. Okay. Simple enough, and that's pretty much it. Now, what this is that you want to be super specific with the name. So you can say video file if it's the video one. So if it's video upload. So if we do something like that, you want to make sure it actually says video file, or if it's, let's say, a PDF, you want to make sure that you say PDF upload. Okay, let's just do something cool, resume upload, and we'll say resume. If you don't know what a resume is, find out the definition. So basically, you can go ahead and you can upload a certain file type. Now, this one's a little bit more complicated, but essentially that's how you do it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.